Hello, and welcome to one of Kontentino's tutorials. Today, we are going to show you how to auto-publish your Instagram stories in Kontentino. Let's start by making sure your profile is connected. You can check it in the profile selector in the top left corner of your screen. If there is no warning, you're all set up. In case there is a reconnect button, click on it and follow the displayed instructions to reconnect. Open the calendar and start creating your post. In the following step, you're able to pick one of the various Instagram post formats. In this case, choose Story. Now, you have two publishing methods to choose from. Select the direct publishing method. This allows you to schedule your stories easily and comfortably, while Kontentino handles the publishing process for you. Please note, this method bears some limitations due to Instagram's API restrictions. Adding text, stickers, location, or other features are not supported when using direct publishing. But fear not, we implement the latest API changes automatically, so your Instagram is always up to date. Now it's time to upload your media. You can do so directly from your device or your Kontentino media library. After uploading, select the publishing date and time in the post planning widget. You can also use other widgets, such as Boost Budget, Labels, and Notes. Once your post is finalized, click the Save button. Now, all you have to do is press Schedule, and you're good to go. Congratulations! The rest will be done automatically by Kontentino. If you have any additional questions, don't be shy and contact our customer support team. We're here for you and happy to help anytime. Thank you for watching and enjoy the scheduling.